woke up and there's snow on the ground and I'm about to go play in it. Bye. I just like to, we can make a snow fort and make a potty and then poop in this, in the potty and then our booties will get caught.
So today it's snowing and it's pretty cool because we never have snow in Columbus. And yeah.
Say good morning, Summit. Hi. Are you soaked?
No.
You're covered in snow. There. Where did you go out in the snow? Did you have fun in the snow? Did you get really cold?
Yeah, we had chocolate and we got really cold, so we are having hot chocolate.
What do you think, Josiah?
Good.
Did you have fun in the snow?
Mm-hmm. She likes
What you doing, Glory?
I'm brushing my hair.
You're...
My hair.
Wow, are you a hairdresser?
Yeah.
Wow, I didn't know you were so good at that.
You can't say ouchie.
Okay, I'll try not to say ouchie. It's not bad, really. Give her a good pull if you need to.
I'm not scaring him.
Is he hiding in there?
Yeah.
A ton of snow out here.
I'm in my bed.
Oh.
Yeah, Landon in his bed.
Can you tell me about the fort? Tell me.
This.
Yeah.
All of this stuff like Landon.
Everything like Landon.
Well, did you buy some or?
Grandpa said we had some. Do you have bittersweet chocolate?
Yeah.
Oh, the
Chocolate bread.
The Ghirardellis is 60%. And I think they talk about Ghirardellis. Half a cup of confectioners, half a cup of unsweetened.
Making babka.
Really talking it up on the store.
How would that be a word?
Steam to seal, transfer to cutting board and use grease serrated knife to cut log in half, lengthwise.
Look, Dad.
It's a good babka. What you got? What you got going on?
Snow and some kind of sauce.
Maple syrup.
Maple syrup.
Let me see you eat it. Tell me if it's good.
Kind of fun. Kind of sauce.
You like it?
Do we have all our stuff on?
Yeah.
Okay. Are we gonna go sledding?
Yeah.
Are we gonna play?
Yeah.
Are we gonna build a big fort?
Yeah.
That's some deep snow, isn't it?
Yes, it is.
Josiah, you excited to go sledding?
These piles always last the longest into the spring.
Whoa, that's a big one.
Ow, that hurt really bad. Woo! Here we go! hill. What are these called? A raft and a snow raft. And we're sliding down. And my daddy is pushing me and brought some snacks. And I really love it. Bye-bye.
All right, I'm pulling you.
Yeah, you gotta follow our trail. That's how we find our way.
There's a turkey up in the tree. I found one. Can you see him? You see him up in the tree?